The 2026 new conforming loan limits just kicked in. Now, what does that mean for you? Now, if you're somebody that has a jumbo or high balance mortgage, you might be able to refinance under this new limit and save some money every month. And if you're thinking about buying a home, knowing the new loan limits could help you pick the right loan when you purchase your home and could help you save thousands in fees and in interest paid over the life of the loan. My name's Darren Tsai. I'm a mortgage broker here in Southern California. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to it. My channel is dedicated to helping people just like you build wealth through real estate education. The Federal Housing Finance Administration announces the new conforming loan limits for 2026. And the national baseline limit for a one-unit home is $832,750. Now, in some of these higher cost areas, for example, Orange County or Los Angeles, those are two of my local markets, the high balance conforming loan limit can go up to $1,249,125. And so for most markets, you're gonna have a conforming loan limit of $832,750. In those higher cost markets, you're going to be close to $1.25 million. So because I am in Southern California, I'm going to share 4 of the new loan limits for my local markets. For Orange County, we got that $832,750. And then for the high cost, about $1.25 million. Same thing for LA County. And then for Riverside and San Bernardino, the loan limit will be $832,750 as well. Meaning if your loan is more than $832,750, it would be considered a jumbo loan in Riverside and San Bernardino County. Now, you also might be wondering, what exactly is a loan limit and how are they determined? The Federal Housing Finance Agency, the FHFA, adjusts these limits annually, and they use a home price index formula. That is just a fancy way of saying they look at the changes in average home prices by county. And you can see here from this chart, these loan limits have almost doubled since 2017. So in 2017, $424 was the loan limit for a one family, and now it's $832,750. And that definitely matches how bad home affordability has gotten. And so why is the loan limit even important for you? So let's first understand what a conforming loan is. So conforming loans meet FHFA rules and are eligible for purchase by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Jumbo loans exceed the conforming limit, and jumbo loans are usually more strict in their underwriting and usually carry higher fees and higher rates because they are riskier for the lender. Now, keep in mind, when I say your loan is eligible for purchase by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, you have to remember, your loan gets sold with a bunch of other loans to investors. So they're treating your loan as an asset and you're paying somebody that interest. So conforming loans are less risky and they're purchased by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. So this is why these loans are better priced for you as the consumer. There's demand for these loans and lenders know that Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac will purchase these loans. When you compare these conforming loans versus jumbo loans, the conforming loans typically have better interest rates, lower mortgage insurance, better pricing for you, right? So if there is a cost for a lower rate, it's typically cheaper for you, the consumer, compared to a jumbo loan because the jumbo loans are deemed riskier. They're higher balances and there's not necessarily the same investor interest in purchasing those loans. Now, what does this mean for you as a homeowner? So if you're just around the loan limit and you bought last year and your loan is just above last year's loan limit and below 2026's loan limit, well, a refinance could push you under that new conforming loan limit, and that might improve your interest rate, your mortgage insurance, and lower your monthly payment. Now, if you're not sure if it makes sense to refinance or not, that's totally okay. I actually pinned a comment down below of another video I made talking about when it makes sense to refinance and how to calculate the break even and the math to figure out if it does truly make sense to refinance. And if you're not a homeowner, but you want to be a homeowner, and you're trying to figure out, hey, what's the best loan option for me? Understanding these loan limits could help you figure out what loan makes sense when you purchase your home, and picking that right loan could help save you money when you go to buy your first home. So quick summary of the video. 2026 new conforming loan limits came out if you are thinking about refinancing or purchasing a home. So it's super important you figure out what your county's loan limits are so you can come up with the right game plan for you and your family. Now, if you don't know how to look that up, that's totally fine. You probably can just Google it, or you can actually email me. My email is darren@realdarrensci.com. Email me with the subject line 2026 loan limits and your county, and then I can get you that info as well. And if you want to chat about your specific home buying or refinance scenario, feel free to contact me. My number is down below, and then I just shared my email. As always, thanks for watching my videos. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you on the next video.